LPG 19. Everybody is thinking about the exports from USA to Europe. I think it has grown about 70% now. Is it logical to establish that there is certain flags that are very friendly with American officers? Because there is a pool of 40,000 Latino officers, yes. And so, could we think about 10 LPGs? Of course, yes. Why? Because this is local American gas, American officers. Is it simple or is it too complicated? Then why don't you do like others do, put other nationalities of officers and not think about flag? We know that Liberia, Panama, Bahama, Bermuda, Marshall, these flags are very friendly for American countries. And why not invest in your own American officers? Because the trade will be of this LNG fleet to Europe. And then also here in Bilbao, we are the perfect crew management company. Why? Because we are really tiki-taka, meeting point, very close. ESG, corporate social responsibility, transparency, service, right here in Bilbao. And we have the knowledge because we are closer to America from Bilbao. Yes, that's why America found us, or we found America. Who cares? The question is that again, history will do the same. LPG issue, that expansion of the gas is going to continue. Why not think different? Because if you do get these 20 LPGs, the others will try to copy. Yes, but it's too late, it's too complicated for them. Thank you, bye.